I'm going to Mandalay Bay. Man, I'm here putting air in my tire at 7-Eleven, and I was trying to get closer to the air thing, and I backed into this signpost behind me. I couldn't see it in my mirror. That's 2 for 2 on damaging my car this week. Gosh. So I've been driving for 15 years. I'm 31 years old, and I have never ever damaged one of my cars to where it has been my fault. And yet in the past 5 days, I've done it twice. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm not gonna let that ruin my trip. I'm headed to Mandalay Bay to go to the Shark Reef Aquarium, which I've never been to before, so I thought I'd do that this morning. And the main reason I'm doing it is I like aquariums, don't get me wrong. I used to have my own saltwater aquarium, but I'm doing it because you get free access to the Mandalay Bay Beach with a Shark Reef ticket purchase, so that's the main reason I'm doing it, so I can go to Mandalay Bay Beach, which I think is the best pool in Las Vegas. Park at the Tropicana, because that's the closest free parking.
Which hopefully it will do in a couple of months' time. Then they come for the old white guys in the winter.
Cardinal Tetras. I used to have a lot of Cardinal Tetras. This tank is huge. Nice. The sand of the ground's a little hot though. Probably be good if you brought sandals here. Pretty sure I have first-degree burns on my feet. Wear sandals if you go to Mandalay Bay Beach.
They'll head home. Apparently he's okay with separating camels. That is your point. It's one of the open sessions. Order your healthcare company to pay $500 for bachelors who own Pharma. It will bring you 3 days.
All right, it's time to go eat. Well, that sucks. I'm gonna have to find a different route now. All right, way to not yield. So I am off to my favorite Mexican place in town, Juan's Flaming Fajitas and Cantina. My favorite Mexican place. That's one of the places I make sure to hit up every time I'm here. They have the best queso.
Breezes should calm down, and we'll have a calm start to our Thursday.
Come on, Brian. Hi.
How you doing? So I want to go fly my drone, but pretty much most of Las Vegas is controlled airspace, so you're not legally allowed to. But there's a small sliver right here. This is the drone map right here. You can see this small sliver, and this road right here that goes vertical in the middle is Valley View. That's right where my hotel is, the Palms. So I can find a place around the Palms in this sliver where I can fly my drone.
Right? In a suit.
Okay, I want to find somewhere that's not only legal, but also discreet. I still don't want to draw any attention to myself here. Alright, this is probably as discreet as I'm going to get. I'm in a neighborhood right now, but it's just too busy at the time of the day around all the places you could fly this. I wonder how that came out. Back to my hotel room. I wonder if I'll be able to do that at night. Obligatory elevator shot. Well, I think I'm just gonna hang out in here until it gets dark. Obligatory elevator shot.
And traffic to Las Vegas at your fingertips. Favorite KXMT or your radio that struggles in the bedroom. It's the only one.
I am heading downtown. That's right, I'm going to downtown Las Vegas, otherwise known as Old Las Vegas. Here's the deal with downtown. If the Strip is Clark W. Griswold, then downtown is Cousin Eddie. It's pretty much an anything goes environment. Not true anything goes, but you get the idea. And that's why I can only handle downtown once a year. I only go to downtown Las Vegas once a year, and it's almost always the night before the opening Thursday of college football. That's just my tradition. There's one thing I always do, and that's play video poker at Four Queens. And that's because Four Queens has some of the best payout tables for video poker in all of Las Vegas. I don't really like to play casino games because the odds are against you no matter what. but video poker at 4 Queens is as close to an even payout as you're gonna get. I put 50 bucks in the machine, and I quit when either I win $50 or lose it. And I leave it at that. The past 3 years, I've walked out of there a $50 winner, so I am due to walk out a $50 loser. Come on, people, you didn't have the crosswalk. Idiots.
On long-term contracts and take big.
Hang on a second.
Same great coverage with half the price of other brands and no contract. You'll see 50% off your first month. Thousands of people switching.
I worked real hard towards doing this, but I have a...
Man, I almost forgot about this place. I haven't been here since 2012. Frozen custard. I got peanut butter and hot fudge. Man, this is thick. Ugh, it's bending the spoon. Alright, now let's go to downtown. What you're looking for is a 9.6 Jacks or Bettor machine. Almost. Almost again. That's 3 almost. 4 almost. And my 3-year winning streak is over. That radio program over there is a perfect example of a tout with their own radio program to give them credibility. All I heard out of his mouth was a bunch of touting garbage. And that's enough downtown for me for a year. I think there are more panhandlers in downtown Las Vegas than there is in San Diego. Never thought I'd see the day. Anyway, it's Wednesday night. I'm going back to my room. So during No Rules Week, I divide the trip into 2 halves. The first half is more of a half where I enjoy the city and just kind of enjoy myself and all of that. The second half I consider to be the business part of the trip, you know. Thursday, Friday, Saturday with all the football games going on. The main reason I come here.
Advantage Entertainment and my group.
Obligatory return elevator shot. Tomorrow, we begin.